Hello there. Yeah, I want to show you guys how I make money trading coin listing arbitrage. So it's a very simple and straightforward crypto business model. It just simply means you just buy a coin somewhere else, it's already traded, and sell it on this exchange that's about to list. This coin we're dealing on today is called Revo. This Revo coin. It will be listing by 10 a.m. You can see 6 minutes to go. It's counting down. So I've already purchased this coin and deposited here. Let me show you my wallet. Revo. You can see I've already deposited the coin here. I bought $100 worth of this coin. It gave me 1,331 units. So I'm waiting for the trade to start. So once the trade starts, we will sell off for profit. So you see everything here live, how it goes. So it's still counting down. So you see by the left hand here, you see all these figures, red colors here is people who limit order. They have already placed their limit order. So if I want to place my own limit order now, just click on sell. I'll set it to limit here. Choose the quantity I want. Then I'll choose my price. Let's see if I sell at this 7.5. Let me see how much it will give me. It's 300, so there's no profit. So let's say 7.7. If I should sell it at 7.7, I'll make $3 profit. Okay. I'll say 7.8. I'll make $4 profit. So when the market open, the coin will pump. When it pump, so we'll target our price and sell off immediately. So let's hope we'll be in profit by then. But in overall, we should be in profit. So I'll pause this video until the coin gets started. Okay guys, we are back. So it's remaining 54 seconds to go. It's counting down. So I've already set my target price here, but I'll watch how it will pump. So it's going 37, 36. So let's keep watching. 27, it's counting down. 21, 20, 19. Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So it's still going. Some part has been filled already. Okay, good. Our order has been filled. So let's go to the wallet order history. You can see Revo here completed $105. You can see order got filled $105. So we made $5 profit. You can see under 3 minutes. So that's how it works. So this is called coin listing arbitrage. This is called coin listing arbitrage. So this is the live candle. This is the live market. You can see I bought this coin with $100 and made $5 profit under 2 minutes. So this is how it works. So if you want to learn more about how all this thing works, just get in touch with me and I'll put you through. You can see the other coins that will be listed there, but among all of them, I've made research on all these coins. Just that one have to be a legit one. All these ones, they are just scam coins. So this is how it works. How it works is that all these exchanges, they list new coins on a daily basis. So before it get listed on the exchange, the coin has been trading somewhere before. So you just buy the coin where it's already trading, deposit it here. So when the coin get listed, it will pump like this above the price you bought, and you sell in profit. That is how it works. It's called coin listing arbitrage. So thank you for watching. If you want to learn more, want to make money from this method, just get in touch with me with my details below. Thank you.